Hi there, it's Julie Davison from juliedavison.com. So excited today. I've got some special cards to share with you using the 2 Every Season stamp set. This is in the holiday catalog here on page 51 of the 2019 holiday catalog. It comes as a photopolymer stamp set, or you can get it bundled with the punch pack, and that's over here on the other side, so you may have missed it since it is on the opposite page. The punch pack includes 4 different shapes. You've got a snowflake, a heart, a bat, and a leaf, and those coordinate with stamps in the stamp set. And then there's some other coordinating stamps of the same kind that are just different sizes and bigger. And then we've got lots of greetings for each of the holidays in the fall winter season. So I'm so excited. This is a stamp set I'm featuring in my Stamp of the Month Club. You can click in the link in the video description to learn more about my Stamp of the Month Club. But each month I feature a different stamp set, and then you get a card kit that includes materials that are pre-cut to make 2 each of 3 different designs. So these are the 3 designs for my October 2019 Stamp of the Month Club. You have the option of adding on the punch pack to your Stamp of the Month Club at the bundled discount, so that's an awesome deal. These cards all have this special spiral pop-up, and that is what I'm going to show you how to make today. So I've got this Christmas one, the Valentine one, and then I'm going to show you how to make one that we're going to put inside our fall card. So all of these use the same materials. We're using the In Color designer paper. This is the 2018-2020 In Colors. So we've got Grapefruit Grove, Lovely Lipstick, Blueberry Bushel. The other In Colors in this group are Call Me Clover and Pineapple Punch, but I've paired each of the 3 In Colors that I chose with a lighter color. So we've got Blushing Bride to go with Lovely Lipstick, Balmy Blue to go with Blueberry Bushel, and I chose a darker Cajun Craze to go with the Grapefruit Grove. So for each of these, you're gonna punch a 2 1/4 inch circle, the same color as the card base. So this one we're going to use Grapefruit Grove. Using the circle as the same color helps it to blend in, so the things that are coming off really just pop. So we've punched a 2 1/4 inch circle, and then we're going to use the scissors to cut a spiral. So this is all hand cut. There's not a special die or punch for this. And I'm just gonna start and kind of work around the circle. Now you wanna make your spiral about a 1/4 inch wide. And that way when you are attaching the little punch outs, you're gonna attach those with glue dots. And if it's a 1/4 inch wide, then the glue dots will fit without going over the edges. If your glue dots are going over the edge of your spiral, then your card may stick closed and it may cause things to stick together. So we're just going to keep going until we get down to about a 1/4 inch circle. No matter how I do this or where I start, I always end up with this little pointy part. So I'm just going to take the scissors and just round that out a little bit. But this is the base for your spiral pop-up. Okay, so we're going to attach that to the card using glue dots. I'm going to put 1 glue dot at the top, and then the other glue dot is going to go on the other side of the other end. So I'm going to put that on the back side. So I've got 1 glue dot here in the center, and the other glue dot is right here, and we're going to put this down in the card. I like to put it so the bottom of the circle is toward the bottom of the card, and I'm going to go ahead and secure it down with that 1 glue dot, and then this glue dot is going to stick when we close the card. So we're going to close the card and push down, and then we've got our little spiral. Now to put on the elements, we're going to stamp. We're doing the leaf here in Cajun Craze ink on Whisper White cardstock. So I'm just going to stamp 5 of them. I always like to do an odd number. It's just more pleasing as a design element to have an odd number. So I'm going to punch these out with the leaf punch. And the easiest way to put these on the card, like I said, is going to be with the glue dots. You could use something else, but I like that the glue dots are really easy. You just stick the punch outs right onto the glue dot, and then they're ready to go. You're just going to pull them off. So let's add those. And I'm just going to kind of, with the leaves especially, just kind of turn and make them go different directions up and down. You just want to make sure that the glue dot is completely on the spiral and not hanging over the edge. We've got 2 more. We're going to do one at the top, right about there, and then we'll add the last one to cover the very tip. Of the spiral like that. So that is how you make the spiral pop-up card. Here's all the cards again using the 2 Every Season stamp set from the holiday catalog. It's not too late to participate in my Stamp of the Month Club, so be sure to check out the link below, or you can shop in my online store and purchase this bundle or any item from the holiday catalog or annual catalog. You can do that at juliedavison.com/shop. Thanks so much for watching. Happy stamping!